Welcome back to e-learning platform from Science Park, Savitribai Phule Pune University. I am back with part 3 of measurement and effects of heat. See, आपण आज काय काय करणार आहोत? Topics which will be covered. आपण एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करणार आहोत and then we are going to understand what happens to the average kinetic energy if quantity is double. पाणी समजा डबल घेतलं तर average kinetic energyचं काय होतं हे आपण बघणार आहोत. Then units of temperature and story behind units. जसं आपण आधीच्या पार्टमध्ये बघितलं की युनिट्स ऑफ हीट आणि त्याची स्टोरी, तसंच आपण टेम्परेचरचं. देन कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ थर्मामीटर कसं केलेलं असतं. देन टाइप्स ऑफ थर्मामीटर्स. देन मेकिंग ऑफ थर्मामीटर. येस, तुम्ही थर्मामीटर घरी तयार करणार आहात. अँड ब्रेन पॉवर. आत्तापर्यंत आपल्याला कळलं कायनेटिक एनर्जीचं काय होतंय. आता आपण बघणार आहोत की आत्तापर्यंत सारख्याच अमाऊंटमध्ये 2 भांड्यांमध्ये पाणी घेतलं तर काय झालं. पण एका भांड्यात जर का अमाऊंट इज डबल, then what happens to the kinetic energy? So let us perform one experiment. Now we are going to perform one more experiment. आता पुढच्या प्रयोगात आपल्याला लागणारं सामान आहे 2 सारखी भांडी. मेजरिंग कप्स, म्हणजे आई बेकिंगसाठी वापरते केक वगैरे करायला, तो मेजरिंग कप आपल्याला चालणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर एक थर्मामीटर, पाणी आणि हो, हा एक्सपेरिमेंट घरी करताना प्लीज परफॉर्म अंडर एडल्ट सुपरविजन, सिन्स वी आर गोइंग टू नीड गॅस स्टोव फॉर दिस. I have taken 2 measuring cups which are filled with water. First is 240 ml and another is 120 ml. So now let us fill these cups with water, which I have already done for you. आता आपण पहिल्या मग मधलं पाणी एका भांड्यात घालू आणि दुसऱ्या मग मधलं दुसऱ्या भांड्यात घालू. I have put first vessel on burner and second also on another burner. Make sure the flame is medium. दोन्ही ह्याच्यामध्ये जी खालची ज्योत आहे गॅसची ती सारखीच असली पाहिजे. If you see the vessel with less quantity of water, in that water has started boiling, whereas another vessel the water is found to be little stale. After 10 minutes we can say that the water with less quantity started boiling, meaning the temperature has risen quickly as compared to the temperature in case of water with double quantity. That means that the kinetic energy of atoms in case water, those are molecules, is double with double quantity of water, and in case of lower quantity or half quantity the kinetic energy is less. Lot of heat is generated, lot of movement is done by atoms. Let us consider the average kinetic energy, that is temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit and Celsius are the units used in day-to-day life activities. And third one is the Kelvin, which is used for scientific experiments, which you will be using later on. Do you know the story behind Fahrenheit and Celsius? Fahrenheit was the first one to discover about the units of temperature. He used thermometer for measurement of the temperature in his room. When the temperature of his room was lowest, he considered that as 0. When it was maximum, that was the highest temperature. But there was little discrepancy in that, since this may vary from room to room or home to home. Then came Celsius. Celsius did another experiment. He used water for that. He considered the solid form of water, that is ice, with 0 degrees, and the highest point of water, that is highest temperature, that is when water is boiling, that is 100 degree. So these two references are considered. The boiling point observed by Celsius was 100 and by Fahrenheit was 212. So there should be some relationship between them. So here is the mathematical relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius, that is F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. But there should be relation with Kelvin also. So just for your understanding, Kelvin is equal to Celsius, whatever your reading is, plus 273.15. Here we have the chart of different temperatures. Those are specific temperatures for forms of water, room temperature and mercury. Like I said earlier, the boiling point of water is 212 observed by Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, and if we convert to Kelvin, it comes out as 373.15. So likewise, if we observe for mercury also, you have to calculate now for that. So I have given you the value in degrees Celsius, that is the boiling point of mercury 356.7. So calculate it in Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And the freezing point of mercury is minus 38.8. So these two things are homework for you. Celsius and Fahrenheit use the instrument that is thermometer. So let us see the construction of thermometer. It has a bulb attached to a tube which is made up of glass, and there is a thread meaning there is some kind of space inside that glass tube. So that is very thin, so that's why it is called as thread. Then we consider there is narrow bulb at the end of the thermometer. The bulb and some part of the tube is filled with liquid and rest part it has vacuum. Vacuum meaning no air. Why no air? If air is there, air is conducting heat, then we may not get proper reading. Now on the other side of the bulb there is some scale. When we touch the bulb to hot body, liquid inside that expands. That is property of liquid. We have seen this. Once liquid expands, it has only space to go up. So whenever you have fever, we say that your body temperature is very high, the heat is very high, and we record that number on thermometer. मी तुम्हाला घरातला आपला साधा थर्मामीटर कसा दिसतो, कसा आहे ते इथे दाखवते. तुम्ही पण तुमच्या घरामध्ये हा हातात घेऊन बघू शकता, ऑफ कोर्स अंडर ॲडल्ट सुपरविजन. आणि एक माझ्याकडे असाच फुटलेला थर्मामीटर होता, त्यातला हा मर्क्युरी पारा हा असा दिसतो. Now how many types of thermometers are there? Let us see here the basic types, that is clinical or industrial, where like we have considered earlier, the liquid expands. So this is based on the principle of expansion of liquid after getting heated up. Another nowadays is used is digital kind of thermometer. It has sensor which senses heat and it is transferred to digital kind of numbers. Then there is third one, that is maxima minima thermometer. It is used by Indian meteorological departments to record daytime temperatures. Now would you like to make thermometer? Friends, would you like to make thermometer? हो हो, बरोबर ऐकलत. तुम्हाला तुमचा थर्मामीटर करायला आवडेल? Yes, let us do that. What we will need? A transparent plastic bottle, one tray, hot water, colored water. This is normal water. One container in which this bottle can go. Then your plasticine or plastic clay and a straw. Let us keep the glasses little away. Remove the cap of the bottle and we are going to use this plasticine now. Let us first try to adjust the size of this. you have to make a hole at the center like this. Okay. Now we are going to put this red water in the bottle. फक्त 1/4च भरायचं आहे. And try to look at the thing that straw should go well inside the water, but it should not touch the base. If what straw is not going sufficiently in, please pour some water again. Yes, now I can see my straw inside. Now I am going to put this cap on the bottle and I will seal. Now seal the mouth of the bottle after putting the straw inside. Also make sure that the straw should be at least 1 centimeter inside the water and it should come properly outside the bottle. Now can you see liquid in the straw? No? Okay. Now let us keep this aside and bring this container here. I am going to put hot water in this. And let us put this assembly inside this hot water. Let us wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Can you see whole assembly here? I am going to focus this on the straw. मित्रांनो, कसा होता अनुभव थर्मामीटर करायचा? Was it nice one? So let us try to understand science behind that. Try to recollect the terms from your earlier standard which you have studied. आपण आधी काय शिकलो होतो मागे? जेव्हा आपण कुठलीही गोष्ट गरम करतो ती प्रसरण पावते. It gets expanded. Liquid is also getting expanded. But it has only one channel, that is straw, where it will able to expand. म्हणून आपल्याला त्या स्ट्रॉ मधली पाण्याची लेवल अशी वाढलेली दिसते. पण आपला हा थर्मामीटर वापरता येईल का हो? नाही ना. का बरं नाही येणार? कारण त्याच्यामध्ये पाणी आहे. पाणी हे लवकर इव्हॅपोरेट होतं, त्याचं बाष्पीभवन लवकर होतं. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे आपल्याला आत्ता माहितीच नाही आहे तिथलं टेम्परेचर काय आहे. म्हणजे जरी वॉटर लेवल वाढली तरी त्या ह्याचं टेम्परेचर किती आहे. फॉर दॅट वी हॅव टू मेक इट ॲक्युरेट. तुम्ही एक ट्राय करू शकता. यू कॅन कीप दॅट बॉटल असेंबली अंडर सन and note down the temperatures with the help of different thermometers, standardized thermometer at different time, and mark the levels of water level risen in the straw. असं केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला तुमचा थर्मामीटर गंमत म्हणून का असे ना वापरता नक्कीच येईल. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का, पाण्याच्या ऐवजी दुसरी लिक्विड्स वापरली जातात. दोज लिक्विड्स आर मर्क्युरी अँड अल्कोहोल. Alcohol is used nowadays widely, but आपण थंड प्रदेशात मर्क्युरी थर्मामीटर वापरू शकत नाही. Since mercury has freezing point -38 degrees Celsius and alcohol has -150 degrees Celsius. Friends, use your brain power now. Give us more real life examples for thermal expansion or contraction. रोजच्या आयुष्यात उष्णतेमुळे होणारं प्रसारण किंवा आकुंचन ह्याची उदाहरणं द्या. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाय डू मटेरियल्स एक्सपांड आफ्टर हीटिंग? गरम केल्यानंतर किंवा उष्णता दिल्यानंतर पदार्थ प्रसरण का पावतो? पुढचा प्रश्न. देअर वॉज अ कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ मेकिंग टी. All the ingredients were added in the vessels of the participants. One of them kept the vessel in solar cooker and another kept the vessel on the gas stove. Whose tea will be ready first and why? एक स्पर्धा होती चहा करण्याची. चहासाठी लागणारं सगळं सामान एकत्र करून भांड्यांमध्ये स्पर्धकांना दिलेलं होतं. एका स्पर्धकाने ते भांडं सोलर कुकरमध्ये ठेवलं तर दुसऱ्याने गॅसवर ठेवलं. तर आता मला सांगा, कोणाचा चहा लवकर तयार होईल आणि का?